Transferring crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet is a straightforward process that can help you secure your digital assets. To begin, make sure you have a Coinbase account and a cold wallet set up. A cold wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, providing an additional layer of security. First, access your Coinbase account and navigate to the Accounts page. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the Send button next to the selected cryptocurrency. Next, you will need to enter the recipient address. This is the public address of your cold wallet. You can find this address in your cold wallet's settings or on the device itself. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending your crypto to the wrong location. Now, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can choose to send the entire balance or a specific amount. Be aware that Coinbase may charge a small fee for the transaction. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the recipient address, amount, and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. The transfer process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the cryptocurrency's network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, your crypto will be safely stored in your cold wallet. To verify the transfer, access your cold wallet and check the balance. You should see the transferred amount reflected in your wallet. It is essential to keep your cold wallet and its private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your crypto. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet is a simple and secure process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can protect your digital assets and enjoy peace of mind. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when handling your cryptocurrency.